see. Very interesting. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. So as you can tell from the title, today we are going to be talking about, I am going to be talking about this wig and give you guys my final review on this wig that I received from Luffy Wig. Sorry, I'm not actually sure what's going on with my hands today. Let me just put them down. So yeah, so today I'm going to be talking to you guys about this wig and giving you guys my final review. If you haven't seen my unboxing / initial review and the customization video of how I kind of bleached the knots and tweezed the hairline, I will leave links up here in the cards or down below in the description box. So yeah, let's just get right into it. As you can tell, I've kind of gone in and straightened the wig because that's just what I do. I don't know why I played myself into thinking, you know, I want glamorous body wave waves, because sometimes I'm a bit lazy when it comes to my hair, and unless I'm really in the mood is when I'm going to curl my hair. And that's why I love straight hair, because I feel like it's low maintenance. Once I straighten it, bam, it's done. And maybe throughout like a few days I have to go in and run my straighteners through it, but other than that it's fine. So I don't know why I played myself into thinking I'm going to be curling my hair, because baby girl, you ain't going to be doing that. So I think it looks really nice straight. The texture of the hair is very, very, very nice. It feels very soft and very like licheny, like it's got so much like body and like bounce to it, which is very, very nice. I don't know, I kind of like this look. Like the front isn't layered or framing my face or anything. It's just kind of like, I don't know, there's just something about it that, you know, kind of speaks to me. I don't know what it is, but yeah. So as I did say in the initial unboxing review, I did receive shedding when I was like kind of playing with the wig, and literally this was before I did any manipulation to it. So before I bleached the knots, before tweezing the hairline and all that stuff, I did receive shedding, and I kind of thought, oh okay, after I bleached the knots, after I wash and condition it, it's gonna be fine. But that didn't really happen. Like when I washed the hair, I got so much shedding, and it was strange at first. I thought, okay, it's because I bleached the knots, and obviously I had to bleach the knots twice. But yeah, I mean, I conditioned the hair. I mean, I just don't know. So yeah, I don't know, it's very irritating because I think the wig is very, very pretty on its own, and I just wish it wasn't, you know, as, I don't know, I just wish it didn't shed as much. And for me, I don't really care about shedding too much, because I feel like all hair sheds anyway. But I feel like there's a limit to that, and this is kind of rocking on that limit, kind of like slightly surpassing it. And I feel like this hair sheds everywhere, like everywhere. It leaves its mark. It leaves its mark. So that's one thing for me that I don't really like about this hair. And another thing is that I feel like sometimes this hair gets tangled, and I'm not sure if it's because of the length or what. Like I actually don't know what went wrong with this wig, because it's so pretty, and it's just a shame about the tangling and the shedding, because I've had long hair and it doesn't behave like this. So I don't know, I don't know guys, maybe I need to cut it into like a bob. Ooh, this will be so cute. That's giving me serious work. Ooh, I think I'm gonna do that. I think I'm gonna do that, and hopefully that kind of gets rid of the tangling and maybe the shedding if it's just the ends that need, you know, to be cut away. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do, and I don't know if it's gonna help or what. If you guys want to see an update on that and see if it does help, then I will let you guys know in another video. But yeah, I mean, the hair is really nice, and as I said, it's really soft. Like right now it's suddenly not tangling, but it's probably because I'm constantly running my fingers through it. If I'm at work, I don't have time to be doing that. Like I just want the hair to behave, and I feel like this hair doesn't behave. And I'm a very low maintenance girl when it comes to my hair. But but yeah, I don't like doing too much. I can't be at my desk doing this. Like I just want to leave it down, maybe brush it occasionally during my lunch break, during my break time, whatever, and I expect it to be fine. But with this, I feel like an hour kind of walking around and stuff, the hair is basically tangled up already, and I don't have time for that. I don't have time for that. So like, just look how pretty it looks. This is such a shame. I am so disappointed. Like it looks very nice, and it's kind of like an Inception, because it looks nice but it doesn't behave nicely. But yeah, I don't know. Like the hair is really pretty, and I'm not really used to this kind of texture. I do believe it's Brazilian hair, which I'm not actually used to. It just feels a bit more coarse than what I usually go for, which I actually really like. It just, I don't know, it just feels very nice. It might be that, or maybe I didn't blow dry and straighten it to the T properly, but I think it's very nice. I'm going to kind of zoom in and show you guys the texture and also the length of the hair. As you can see, it's pretty long on me. I'm only about 5'2", so yeah, that is the wig. Out of 10, I will probably rate it about a 6. Yeah, I think a 6 is a good standing point, because you've got to take into account the shedding, the tangling. I had to bleach the knots twice, and yeah, I think 6 is a reasonable amount, so I've kind of docked 4 points for that. But other than that, the wig fits fine. The lace is always really nice and easy to work with. I never have any issues. So yeah. So yeah guys, that is basically my final review on this hair. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys. Mwah.